Burger Scholar Sessions with me, George Motes. Sorry. My name is George Motes, and I love hamburger history. That's right, we're about to go on a historical lesson today, because we're going all the way back to the turn of the century. That's right, 121 years ago, when Louis Lunch in New Haven, Connecticut, made one of the very first hamburger sandwiches in America. Ever! Louis Lunch is one of the oldest continually operating hamburger restaurants in America. For those interested in hamburger history, a trip to Louis Lunch to get an original hamburger sandwich is an absolute must. It's one of the most important places in the world, not just for hamburgers, but just in American history. They do claim to have invented the hamburger. We'll get to that later. But today, I get to live out one of my hamburger fantasies. You ready for this one? Oh, look at this, my hair standing up again. Ooh, it's like electric. Yo, wow, you feel that? Ah, that's right. Wow, it really is. It's crazy. I get to do something that I don't think anyone's ever tried or attempted before. Today, I'm going to attempt to faithfully recreate the hamburger sandwich from Louis Lunch using similar historic equipment. And it starts with this. Whoa. When it comes to recreating hamburger history, I do not cut corners, period. This is a vertical broiler, custom built for me by my good friend Charles. If you've been to Louis Lunch, you've seen the upright broilers that are the centerpiece of the restaurant. The flames actually come at whatever you're cooking from the sides. How is it possible that this cooking method only exists in one place still today in America? No one has ever tried to recreate the original 1898 broilers at Louis Lunch. Until now. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's go behind the scenes and meet my welder friend Charles, who made this happen. Can you believe this thing? Look at this, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. This thing is beautiful. Louis Lunch, I'm coming for you. This is so cool. Oh God. The only way to make this happen was to go to Charles. Thank you, Charles.
You're welcome, George. Anything for you?
You made it happen. What is this thing gonna work? What do you think?
Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, it's gonna work. The question is it gonna burn down your house?
So bad. But look at this. So what we did was we found a fish grilling basket to put the burger in, and then we have two portable
cassette food.
Cassette food. That's right. The French calls them cassette food. And you built this beautiful frame with a perfect channel, so we can put this thing in. Look at that. So what was the big challenge here, other than not knowing what you were doing?
Like, I'm usually making like tables and stuff for people and not cooking contraptions. So that was like the biggest thing. I mean, the thing that I'm the most not sure about if it's gonna work is like the flame.
Yes.
The flame distance. Like, it needs to hold it upright and close the flame, but you don't want it to be so close to the flame that like the burger is charred.
Right.
And then,
so you're absolutely right.
So hopefully it's gonna work.
Let's do this. Have you ever seasoned a burger in here before? If it falls down, then we're back to the drawing board.
I think we just gotta hammer your grill.
Look.
Oh, all right.
That's like,
Sorry, I'm not a hamburger expert.
Look at that, it's just like Louis Lunch. Yoo-hoo! Here we go. It's gonna be way too hot.
It's not aluminum. It's gonna be fine. It's definitely gonna ruin the.
Oh my God, it's actually working here. Whoa! Oh, ow! Don't touch your nose to that, it's very hot. I already have that.
It smells good.
Yeah. Ow, I just burned my fucking nose.
So I think this is working perfectly.
Are you happy?
I should get a Nobel Prize.
This is on the way. Oh, hey, look at that! God, it's perfect. Here, I'm gonna give you a fork.
Ooh. Wow, that looks
Sure, dude. Look, we cooked it.
Wow. I'll be damned.
Huh?
It's not wrong about. Wow.
Oh, fuck, that's good.
Wow.
Wow. It totally worked. It did it.
I'm pleasantly surprised.
Louis' lunch starts with a very lean beef. They use sirloin. So we're gonna form a patty. Give it some slapping. Yee-hoo! I'm gonna put this into my salmon griller. Now, because of this way of this thing designed, I gotta put it towards the top, right? Yeah, up there, okay. I'm gonna take a piece of onion and put it on the patty, just like that, and then close it up. Woo! See that? The onion is inside the thing, see that? We got it all sandwiched in there. And into our upright broiler it goes to cook. Very exciting. But while this is cooking, let me get rid of this. But while this is cooking, I'm gonna make some toast. Now, if you've been to Louis' Lunch, they use a 100-year-old toaster. I'm not kidding. So to recreate that, I have a small camp toaster that will do the trick, I'm pretty sure. Very important to remember that the hamburger sandwich at Louis' Lunch predates the bun, the classic hamburger bun, by over 20 years, by 2 decades. They use toast, and they've always used toast. They've never changed. Okay, I'm gonna check on the burger, see how it's doing here. It's cooking very slowly. So I'm gonna crank up the heat a little bit, right? What do you think? Did this the other day. Oh God, hang on. Houston, we have a problem, hang on. Oh, that won't go up. See that? Oh shit, what have I done here? Maybe this side. Oh, I smell burning toast. I'm burning face. Ah, Jesus. Is it working? Okay, something's working here. Oh, this is becoming more difficult than I thought. Ooh, you hear that? You hear that sound? That's a problem. That's what that is, shit. Oh God, oh God, oh my God. Oh shit. Oh, we're definitely gonna set the smoke alarm today, that's for sure. Oh shit, yeah. So what's happening is the beef is rendering and the flames are igniting. And now I'm beginning to realize exactly why Louis' Lunch uses very lean meat, because you could have a major problem. Oh shit, that doesn't smell good either. Something's burning badly. Fuck, look at this. Quiet. Okay, getting there, getting there. Oh, toast looks good. Woo, look at the toast. Look at the toast, it worked. That stupid little camp thing worked. Hang on. Still adjusting, taking a look. Looking good, look at that. We've got breaking news in the world of hamburgers. Whoa, what? That's right, sometimes there's breaking news in the world of hamburgers, but not very often. But this is really big news. Turns out, the claim to the hamburger being invented at Louis' Lunch has been debunked. The origin story, as it's been told, is that apparently a guy ran into Louis' Lunch and didn't have time to eat a hamburger steak on a plate with a knife and a fork. And he said, put it on some bread, I gotta get out of here. And apparently that's what happened. But that's not how it happened. We know this because someone as insane as me discovered an ad in a Texas newspaper for a hamburger being served at a bar in Shiner, Texas in 1894. And it says very clearly in print in this newspaper, hamburger steak sandwiches every day of the week at Barney's Saloon in Moulton, Texas. And as we know, Louis' Lunch claim to the hamburger sandwich is 1900. I can't think of anything more damning than that. But who cares? It doesn't really take anything away from Louis' Lunch because it still is, unquestionably, the longest continually operating hamburger restaurant in America. Period. We're on our way to recreating hamburger history right here. They realized they couldn't put cheese on this thing, clearly. That would melt and make a complete disaster of their upright broilers. So they started to use a processed cheese spread. Moment of truth. Open this thing up. So we can get this open without burning myself. Hey, oh God, hang on. There it is. Onto the toast. Only condiment you can get other than cheese and onion is a slice of tomato. And when I say slice, I mean literally one slice of tomato. Another piece of toast, where is it? Over here, here we go. They basically cut this in half, just like that. And there you have it. The original hamburger sandwich from Louis' Lunch, recreated faithfully with correct equipment, with the right condiments, and the right historian. Holy shit. Oh, wow. This is accurate. That is literally as accurate as it gets. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay. I believe that my adventure has come full circle. This is a great tasting hamburger. Yeah. Get into that. We're gonna make a few more of these. Wow. The hamburger experience should be memorable. It shouldn't be memorable because you had too much flavor going on. It should be memorable because it evoked beef. It evoked the American spirit. It evoked American ingenuity, which you can see right in front of you. It's exactly why I do what I do. Here it is. I'll see you next time when I go even deeper into hamburger history and I finish this jar of cheese. That's good. That's good. That's fucked up. Hi, I'm George Motes from Burger Scholar Sessions. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch more episodes right here. Somewhere here. Right here? Up in here.